Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade Binance Futures on TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com and simply just log in into your account. Over here, use the search bar, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for the BTC USDT perpetual. So over here, when you search for it, you will find the chart over here. So make sure that you launch the chart which is provided to you by Binance. So after launching it, it is going to basically look something like this. Now once this is done, you need to simply just click on the option of trade here on the top. Then among the given brokers here, you need to simply look for Binance. Now when you're able to find it, simply click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you on the Binance login page where you need to simply just log in into your account and establish the connection. Now, once you have successfully connected your Binance account with it, you are going to see the buy and the sell buttons over here on the top. So now you can just simply, as per your analysis, you can place the buy and the sell orders here. And this way you will be able to use both of these very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.